Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to my class. I'm your teacher, Shine. Today, we are going to learn Unit 6 in a Nature Park, Part A, Let's Spell. Okay, let's go.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Today, it's Open Farm Sunday. Do you want to have fun with me? Okay, let's go to the farm and have fun together. This is my friend, Panda. Okay, let's begin. Wow, look! What's this? Yes, it's a house. It's so big. Listen, what's the sound? Yes, they are cows. Wow, how many cows? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there are so many cows.
House. Sound.
Mouse. Count.
Game number 2. Listen and find. Look at these 4 words. House, sound, mouse, count. What the same letters do they have? Do you know?
OU.
Yes, they have the same letters OU. And how to pronounce OU?
Oh.
Yes, you are super. Now, let's chant it together.
The vowel pair. Ow. Chant with me. O-U, ow, ow. O-U, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. O-U, ow, 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 ow. O-U, ow, 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 ow. Let's chant together. O-U, ow, 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 ow. O-U, ow, 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 ow.
Now, it's fun time. Let's have fun together. Wow, look! There are so many apples. Do you like apples?
Yes, I do. Apples are sweet.
Great! Let's pick up the apples to the baskets. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Basket 1.
The Buns.
Basket 2.
How.
Basket 3.
The ground.
Basket 4.
How.
Wow! Now we have so many baskets of apples. Let's transport the apples by truck.
Mouse. The cloud. The brown. Sound.
Wow! Thank you. This is your homework. After class, you can read this story. A round house. Okay, boys and girls, class is over. That's all for today. Goodbye. Thank you.